Hi there, Jody Marketplace Boutique, and today I'm going to show you how to create business thank you card. They're great for eBay or any other business if you just want to put a little thank you in your packages. At Costco, all you have to do is search Costco photo. You'll see here it says Costco Photo Center, and if you click on that, now you can create an account here if you don't have an account, super easy. So I'm going to go to business printing, and this is where I print my business cards, and I just placed an order of thank you cards too, so I thought I'd show you how to do that. So go down here and browse designs, or if you have your own design you can upload it here. You can also just do a simple one with your logo. They have many designs, which is really awesome. I'm going to search by 100 here, and I'll show you what they have. They should have something that you like in here. You know, most of them are not too fancy, but they get the job done, and that's all you really need. And with Costco, the more you order, the cheaper it is per item too. I did order a couple thousand thank you cards. I ordered 500 business cards, because I don't need that many business cards, but I do get asked for my card quite a bit. I'm going to go up here and I want black. You can also type in something and see what pops up, like you can put floral or whatever. Okay, so here is the one I'm going to choose. And if you see here, there's several different colors that you can choose. There's white, there's black, you know, there's khaki. So you can make it look different if you don't like the way this is. You know, there's different colors here that you can choose too, and they are a little bit customizable, so you can kind of choose what you want. Okay, I really like black because it just kind of stands out more to me. Just my preference. Okay, so I'm going to go double-sided, and we are going to make a thank you business card. So here I'm going to go up to the top. I'm just going to write a little thank you, so you're going to want to put your cursor up here. And I'm just going to say, thank you for your purchase and supporting my small business. Your purchase made my day. And I hope this package brightens, I can't talk and type, right? Brightens yours. How does that sound? Okay, so I am going to select this and see how this looks. So you can adjust them here, and what you want to put on there is up to you. Something I do see is I don't really want an extra thing here, so just get rid of that. There we go. Okay, so we are going to probably make this a little bit smaller. You can also bold it, which I did do on my cards because it is black, so you kind of want it to stand out a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go here and I'm just going to say, not only do I want to thank everybody for their purchases, but I also want to tell them, you can find me on YouTube, you can find me on Instagram. It's kind of a dual effort here. Okay, so I'm going to put connect with us, and I kind of want a different script. Let's see here. Let's see. I kind of want it like handwriting. I'm not sure what I chose before, so I'm just going to go through here and look at what looks good here. Okay, this looks cool. Okay, I don't want us to be like that. There we go. So, you know, you can do this, or you can have a different font. You definitely don't have to do what I do. You can make it your own awesomeness. So I'm going to put connect with us. I want it a little bigger, so let's do 10. And then I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to put Jody Marketplace Boutique, and let's get rid of that. Okay, so you can see here, these lines here can guide you to show you where it's sitting. Ooh, that's too big. Okay, 12? 12 looks good. Okay, there we go. So what I'm going to do here, this may be good or bad. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add an image. And you can see here, these are the images I have used recently. So I'm going to choose YouTube. I'm going to put a connect with us. I think this one I want a little bit up here. Okay, move into place. Sometimes it takes a little adjusting on here, but it's not too bad. So then what I did find out is you have to close this out and then open it back up. Okay, there we go. It's kind of cool that it like writes under it. That's neat. Okay. So you know, I'm gonna do about the same size here. Move this over. Move this over. Oh, there we go. I didn't even get that line on my own, so this might even be better than the one I did. So I'm gonna go connect with us, YouTube and Instagram badge, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Okay, so I think that's really nice. It tells people thank you for purchasing from me, and I really appreciate it, and which I really, really do. I think it's awesome. It's amazing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just get rid of this one because I don't want to deal with two lines. And I am going to put thank you here. Thank you. Okay. Now I want to make this bigger because I do want this to be quite substantial. I think I chose 26 on mine, and then I moved it and just made sure it was centered. And here I put, you can put like for your order, or you can put, you know, like a dash in your store name, which I thought about. You can put thank you for your purchase. Thank you so very much. Thank you, you are awesome. Things like that, like whatever you want to do. That looks really good to me. Then what you want to do, if you are happy with that, and you can take a double look, which I'm glad I did because last time I did go through it and I went back and looked at this and the fonts were off as they are now, which is really, really strange. I don't know why that is, so we are going to fix that and see how things have changed. I don't know why. So you're definitely want to go and take a double look at that stuff. Let's do like 10. There we go. Okay, so just make sure when you submit your order that it looks good. And then I'm going to go to the cart. Highlighted areas indicate the text will be cut off of the box has not been edited. That's weird because I do not have any text there. Okay, so it does look good. So this is where you can double look at things too before you pay and approve your design. And it looks just how I wanted it. And this is how I did my thank you cards a couple minutes ago. I mean, I think Costco's great. They have really, really good prices. And I just got my other business cards, which were similar to this, except they were more of a business card. They look really, really good. I'm super happy with them. They will give you a tracking number, which is awesome. Okay, so then you can choose here, and if you see, the more you spend, the less money per item. So I just ordered another 1,000. And if you add to cart, that will take you to your payment. it will tell you how many days it's going to be about. I'd give it a little bit more if you have bad weather and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped out a bit. It took me a little while to figure out what to say on a thank you card, but you just want to express that you really appreciate your customers. Hopefully this helps everybody. Have a fabulous day, everybody.